I'm about to style my hair to shoot a series of videos, so tonight I'm going to start things off using this root shoot by Wella Professionals. When not prepping my hair for styling with a grooming spray, this is still my favorite root mousse to use over the years because it's really easy to use and gives you amazing volume. To use it, I'm going to start by wetting my hair, towel drying it, applying this directly into my roots, and then blow drying directly into my roots to create some amazing volume. Another pro tip I always like to share is that when towel drying it, I'm still going to angle my head downwards so that I can give my hair some initial lift. Now to apply the spray. Massage it in a little bit. And now here we go. I'm going to mute the audio because it gets pretty loud. And there you go. As you can see, just like that, in less than 5 minutes, we are done and my hair has some insane volume to work with. So if you're looking for a hair mousse that works fast, is easy to use, and gives you incredible volume, pick up this root shoot by Wella Professionals and you're going to be set.